I'm also just a girl standing in front of a boy, asking him to love her.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am Shreyashi, and in today's video I'm going to talk about how to get over someone that you loved. So this is a very sensitive topic, and that's why I'm a bit cautious before speaking anything over here, and also because my parents watch this channel. Anyway, coming to the point. मुझे लगता है ऐसे बहुत ही कम लोग होते होंगे जिसका हार्ट ब्रेक नहीं हुआ होगा कभी लाइफ में. At least the 90s wala generation has gone through a heartbreak once in their lifetime. So yeah, I thought this video can be very valuable for some people who are going through it. जब आप personal experience share करते हो तो कहीं ना कहीं connect होता है काफ़ी लोगों को, and that might help you out. Anyway, so without wasting any more of your time, let's start the video. Okay, so the first and the most important point is block them from your social media platforms. Okay, we struggle to do this and it is really tough. Honestly, it is really tough, but this is the only option, because maybe you're not in touch with that person, like you're not chatting, you're not talking on phone, but if you are connected on social media, you are bound to check their profiles and last seen, and also whenever you're going to put up a story, you are going to check कि उसने आपका story देखा है कि नहीं. This is a usual tendency of every human. So don't deny that you don't see it. आप देखते हो, accept it. So whenever I stop my friends from doing it, they don't listen to me. Just like even I would not listen to them when they were telling me to do this. But having experienced it, all I want to tell you is that please block them from your social media platforms, because nothing good is going to come out of it, and it's like still subconsciously आप कहीं ना कहीं उनसे आप relation में हैं, because you are in touch with them. आपने वो cut नहीं किया है अपने आपके बीच का connection. That person is not giving importance to you, but you are investing your time and your subconscious mind is continuously in touch with that person. So just cut them off, and yeah, that's the only way out. So the second point is start writing. So I was into poetry. I used to write poems, but I have noticed this in myself that I tend to write poems more when I am affected or I'm heartbroken. कुछ मेरे साथ ऐसा चल रहा है जिसने मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा affect किया है. Then so many poems come into my mind, so many emotions flow into my head. For me, it comes out in the form of poetry. But just start writing anything. Grab a diary, a pen and a paper, start writing. So even if you're not a writer, आपको लगता है आप frame नहीं कर पाते sentences while writing, just write one sentence. The first sentence that comes to your head, just write that, and आप देखोगे emotions खुद flow में लग जाएंगे बहुत सारे, and your pen is not going to stop after that. So the third point is realize your self-worth. So sometimes what happens in a relationship is you become so involved with that person that आपकी खुद की life कुछ नहीं रह जाती है. Everything happens with them, and आपका साथ में एक आइडेंटिटी क्रिएट हो जाता है. एंड इफ द पार्टनर इज डोमिनेटिंग, देन मोस्टली आप उनके शैडो में आ जाते हो, एंड यू फॉरगेट दैट यू हैव योर ओन लाइक्स एंड डिजायर्स. जो वो पर्सन लाइक करता है वही आपकी लाइक्स हो जाता है, एंड बेसिकली यू स्टॉप ग्रोइंग. एनीवे, दैट काइंड ऑफ रिलेशनशिप इज नॉट एट ऑल गुड. कमिंग टू द पॉइंट, फिगर आउट what you like, what are your desires, what you would like to do with your life, what excites you, what interests you. Think about your passion and yourself as an individual. So this hit me big time, because if someone dominating tends to come in my life, I tend to like get totally involved, totally involved, and I usually forget myself in the process, which is not a good thing to do. Utilize this time to figure out your own interests and hobbies, because काफ़ी लोगों की stories मैंने देखी हैं, जब उनका heartbreak होता है, they do something so remarkable. So there could be two reasons for this. Maybe you want to prove something to your ex that you're so successful and you were capable of something, or the second thing could be you got a chance for the first time in your life to think about yourself, and that is how you started this. So yeah, utilize this time to figure out what you actually want to do, and once you are independent now, the rest is going to happen. The fourth point is सोचो, डिड यू एक्चुअली डिजर्व दैट पर्सन. वो जो पर्सन था, क्या आपको लॉन्ग टर्म में खुशी देता? अगर वो आपके लिए इतना ही बना था तो आपको छोड़ के नहीं जाता, राइट? दैट पर्सन डिड नॉट रिस्पेक्ट यू इनफ टू स्टे विद यू, देन you don't really deserve that person, right? So just let it go. I know it hurts at that point of time, but just let it go and see. You will definitely find someone better who respects your worth much more than this person. Okay, so the fifth point is trust the process. लोग बोलते हैं ना जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. So that is so true. You will not realize this at this point of time if you are going through a heartbreak, but you will realize it later and you will thank your gods that you had the sense to come out of this relationship. It happened for the good because something really good is waiting for you out there, and once you have that, then all this will look really funny. आप सोचोगे आपने इतना टाइम और इमोशंस क्यों ही वेस्ट किए ऐसे इंसान के साथ. So just don't waste your time right now, because your teenage or whatever age you are, this is the most crucial time for your career or your life, for building your personality or building yourself as a person. I'm not saying don't fall in love, but if you are falling in love and if you are breaking out of it, I hope this helps you get over that person soon, because such a precious time of your life is not worth wasting over someone who does not care about you. In short, the summary of this entire video. Okay, so those were the 5 points that I wanted to mention in this video. I really hope it helped you in some way, and I really hope you get over that person soon. Whomever you are trying to forget, you can do so much more out of your life than thinking about the person who left you. So that's it for this video. I hope you had a good time, and if you did, please don't forget to hit a like on this video and also subscribe to my channel, the red button right there. Also, yeah, let me know in the comments what next would you like me to speak about. If there's anything else you would like to watch from me, do let me know and I'll make sure I make them for you. So yeah, I will see you in my next one. Till then, bye.